When it comes to doing the laundry, you no longer need to worry about it costing a fortune. This Hoover washing machine has state-of-the-art features which saves you money after just one wash. With the Hoover Wizard app, you can use your smartphone to control, monitor and manage your laundry appliance with ease. Simply synchronize your smartphone to the appliance by tapping it. With additional features such as energy monitoring and voice assist, doing your laundry has never been so easy. kg mode is an impressive sensor which weighs your laundry during the first 4 minutes of its cycle, for the washing machine to then adapt its cycle time, water and electricity consumption to accommodate the size of the load, ensuring that your clothes are being washed in the most efficient way. With an A++ energy rating, this Hoover appliance uses the latest technology to deliver perfectly clean results, and with up to 40% more energy efficiency, you can save a significant amount of money on your energy bills. This Hoover washing machine delivers exciting and easy-to-use functions that will instantly make washing your clothes a stress-free occasion.